My name is Ranjit. I am the chief mentor of IMS. We are an institute which trains students for CAT, BBA, GRE, GMAT, all these MBA entrance exams, GRE entrance exams, law entrance exams. That's what we train students for. I myself have done my MBA from IIM Lucknow. Fine. So, plus prior to my MBA, I was an engineer myself. Fine. So, what about IMS? We were established in 1977, one of the oldest institutes to train people for test prep for MBA, GRE, law entrance exams. We've got 100 plus centers across the country. We've got a center in Karad as well, Karad, Kolhapur. Fine. We've got centers in Pune, Nagpur, Nashik. We've got centers in Aurangabad, Mumbai, fine, all across the place, Delhi, Bangalore, Chennai. And we train about 70,000 students every year for all these entrance exams. So when I talk of PG, postgraduate studies, we specialize in MBA in India, MBA abroad. So you guys can also go abroad and do an MBA. We specialize in MS abroad. We specialize in management UG, BBA entrance, law entrance. Fine. So all these areas is what we specialize in. And as I told you about myself, my name is Ranjit. I am the chief mentor at IMS Pune. I'm an IIM Lucknow alumnus with 12 plus years of experience in training and mentoring. First of all, you need to understand what is an MBA and how does an MBA help you. Masters of Business Administration, 3 words. Fine. What does that, how does that add value to your career? Fine. One thing that an MBA should do is maximize profits. As engineers, you were always associated with the technical side of the job. Fine. You were always associated with manufacturing, production, coding, fine, developing softwares. Whichever engineer you were, civil would be related to construction, real estate. Fine. But the products that you create, it's not sufficient to create good products. That doesn't help. You need to understand how do you create relevant products. Fine. For example, Kodak is a camera. Kodak used to produce cameras. It became obsolete. It used to produce very good analog cameras, the cameras with rolls. Okay, if you remember those analog cameras, superb analog cameras, good quality analog cameras. But slowly, the world stopped using analog cameras. Kodak did not do a market research on what the customer wants. The customer wanted digital cameras, and therefore Kodak didn't survive in the long run. So one of the small examples. Okay. So the point that I'm trying to make is you need to understand what does the customer want, design products, relevant products for the customer. Fine. Secondly, you need to understand how to sell, promote, fine, those products, how to increase your sales is what you should be understanding. So that's what an MBA does, maximizing profits. When I talk of maximizing profits, there are 2 things that he could do to maximize the profits. One is increase the revenue. Okay, maximizing profits by increasing revenue. Second is reducing the cost. Revenue increase, cost reduce. Fine, that increases profit. Now, revenue is controlled by 2 things in an organization: the finance department and the marketing department. That's what controls the revenue in any organization. Costs are controlled by 2 things in an organization: the operations and the HR. And that is where you have these 4 verticals: finance, marketing, operations, HR. Fine. Where you would do an MBA from. So talking about marketing, marketing is all about influencing the product or the service. Marketing is all about influencing the product or the service, understanding what the consumer wants by performing market research. Fine. Designing relevant kind of products for that particular geography that you have your businesses in, and promoting those products and selling those products. For example, McDonald's as a company, when it came to India long back in 1990s, it understood that majority of the Indian population were vegetarians. Therefore, first time ever in 1990s, they came to India and they launched the veg aloo tikki burger, because they knew had they come up with a non-veg only menu, it would probably be a problem for the Indian markets. So they did a very good market research. They understood that the consumer wants veg products, and therefore they launched the veg aloo tikki burger. And after launching that burger, fine, they had to tell people about their new product. That's where promotions and advertising comes into picture. That's where they started running ad campaigns. First time ever, the veg aloo tikki burger and all those ad campaigns. And then after you promote, people come to you to buy, you need to sell. You need to sell. So creating market research, understanding consumer needs, promoting the product and selling the product. Selling ka matlab kya hota hai? Whenever you go to a McDonald's outlet and you buy, fine, you just ask for a burger, but they'll say, sir, take French fries and make it a meal, add some cold drink, add some peri-peri, add some mayo to it. Fine, and they'll, if you've gone to purchase a 100 rupee product, they'll make it a 500 rupee package and they'll give it to you. Fine. So that's what marketing is all about. Roles that you get is brand managers, product managers, sales managers are the kind of profiles that you're offered in marketing. Finance, who should do marketing? Who should do marketing is people who are outspoken, people who are extroverts, people who are creative, people who do not like studies should probably get into the marketing sector. Finance, I need more diligent people. I need more dedicated people. It's a very tedious job, but finance guys make big money. Okay, people who are good with numbers, people who are dedicated, who are ready to work for long hours, should get into the finance sector. It's all about managing money. How do you make money for your business? So when McDonald's wanted to launch in India, obviously they'll not burn their pockets. They'll not take money from their own pockets. They'll start taking money from investors. So how do you find those investors? Fine. How do you get the finance from? How do you use that money? How does that money go outside my business? Is what all finance is about. Corporate finance, investment banking is one of the top profiles that people look out for. An engineer plus a CFA plus an MBA, fine, is one of the strongest combination for investment banking profiles. Doing an investment banking, from getting an investment banking job, fine, you need to get placed into the top IIMs only. It is only there where you get these investment banking jobs. Salaries upwards of 35-40 lakh rupees is what these guys offer. More than 35-40 lakh rupees is what investment bankers, banks offer to their candidates. Fine, so big money in that business. Then you've got operations, which is the favorite for most of the engineers. Most of these engineers look out for doing an MBA in operations. In fact, there are colleges like NITI in Mumbai, NITIE. There are colleges like IITs, which have specialized courses only in operations, give salaries of 20-25 plus lakhs per annum. Fine. Production managers, procurement managers, logistics managers. Fine. So that's what operations is all about. The entire chain from procuring the raw material, fine, processing the raw material, converting the raw material into finished good, and then making the final delivery is what operations is all about. For example, if I again take an example of McDonald's, French fries, from where do I procure those potato seeds? How do I grow those potatoes? Which farms? How far should my farms be from my warehouses? How should I transport those potatoes from the farms to the warehouses? Where should the processing of those potatoes be done? In the warehouses, in the farms. I'll require a cold storage supply chain now, trucks with freezers to have those potatoes delivered. Fine. From the warehouses, how does it come to the city? From the city, how does it go to the retail outlets? From the retail outlets, what is the shelf life? How should they store it? Where should they store it? How many freezers are required? How should they process it? Then how should they cook it? And what kind of oil, what kind of temperature, all those details, and how does it finally go onto the customer table? That entire process is called supply chain, and operations MBA is all about managing the supply chain and reducing costs everywhere possible. Managing the costs is what an operations guy would do. A very interesting profile. Mechanical engineers generally, engineers majorly go for operations MBA as well. MBA in finance and operations are the two fields which are top favorites amongst engineers. Human resources, hiring people, putting them in the right jobs and training them is what human resources MBA is all about. Fine. So these are the four verticals: marketing, finance, operations, HR. However, you don't need to choose these verticals while you do an MBA in the first year. First year of MBA is common for everybody. Fine. You will learn all the four topics. Then in the second year you need to choose a specialization. Fine. During that time you will have a very good understanding of all the 4 subjects, and you could make a very good informed decision about the specialization that you want to choose. Apart from marketing, finance, operations, HR, nowadays there are a lot of new fields like MBA in IT, MBA in pharma, MBA in healthcare, MBA in sports management, MBA in data analytics. Yes, one of the biggest, again, a lot of engineers tend to get into data analytics MBA. Fine, there's a lot of money there also. So how does an MBA help you? One is kickstart your career. Fine, as an engineer, what would you get in hand salary? 20,000 rupees, 22,000 rupees per month after your engineering. Fine, but complete engineering, do 2 years of MBA. Fine, and you will get a starting salary of upwards of, fine, do 2 years of engineering, do 4 years of engineering, 2 years of MBA. Do it from the 50th ranked college. Don't do it from an IIM. ठीक है, 50th ranked college से भी अगर आप MBA करते हो तभी भी you will get a salary of 80 to 90,000 rupees per month. Fine, that's what is called kickstarting your career. Fine, nowadays jobs available in the market. So what do people find? So somebody was asking me where should look for GATE or they should look for CAT. Look out for GATE only if you want to work in the PSUs or only if you want to do a PhD and get into the teaching sector. Doing an MTech and getting into the IT sector makes no sense. Doing an MTech, getting into the corporate sector does not make any sense at all. कोई फायदा नहीं होता उसका. बीटेक को 3 लाख पैकेज होता है, एमटेक को 3,25,000 पैकेज होता है. 2 साल एक्स्ट्रा डाल के आप सिर्फ 25,000 एक्स्ट्रा अर्न करोगे. सो इट डज नॉट हेल्प. फाइन, ठीक है. सो यू कुड पोस्ट योर क्वेश्चंस ऑन द Q&A box. I'll take it up towards the end of the session. Prasad, if it's something relevant, I'll definitely try and answer here. Fine. But so that's what I'm saying. I've seen a lot of people बीटेक करके जॉब नहीं मिलता, फिर चलो क्या करना है, एमटेक कर लेते. ठीक है, क्योंकि एमटेक में इजीली कहीं पे भी एडमिशन मिल जाता है मेरे को. फाइन, एंड देन आई डू एमटेक एंड देन आफ्टर 2 years अगेन द सेम स्टोरी. आई विल नॉट गेट अ जॉब. इट डज नॉट हेल्प unless you want to take the GATE, get into a PSU, do a PhD, get into research. It helps. If you want to work in the corporate world, don't do an MTech, do an MS. Go abroad, take your GRE, do an MS. Fine. Funding should not be a problem. ठीक है, no one should say sir पैसा नहीं है इसलिए एजुकेशन नहीं कर रहा हूँ. Today you get a lot of easily available education loans. ठीक है, लोन का प्रॉब्लम होता है, मुझसे मिलो. Fine, I'll tell you how to get it. So funding should not be a problem. So kickstart your career is one very important reason how an MBA can help you. Fine. As an engineer, you might end up getting a 20,000 rupee job. Engineer plus MBA at the age of 23. Fine, you can get those 80-90,000 packages even if you do it from a very mediocre, very 50th ranked Wellinger या TAPMI या Goa Institute of ऐसा कॉलेज में से किया तो भी. मैं IIM की बात ही नहीं कर रहा. Accelerate your career growth is again one very strong reason why people should do an MBA. Sanan, NEETI takes GATE for other courses. NEETI का जो मैनेजमेंट प्रोग्राम है उसके लिए CAT लगता है. NEETI has a lot of other courses. For its other courses, it takes GATE. Management program requires. Digambar Mari, I'll answer this question. Good question. Offline MBA rather than online MBA. I'll take it up towards the end. Just remind me. Okay, it's off topic. I just want to complete the flow here. Accelerate your career growth. Yes. Engineer बनो, 3 लाख का सैलरी पैकेज से स्टार्ट करोगे, 3 का 25 लाख करने में आपके 10 साल निकल जाएंगे. Fine. And after 10-15 years, you become a consultant in a company like TCS. आप Quora पे search करो, what is the growth path for a TCS, Accenture, Infosys guy? You begin as a graduate trainee engineer. Trainee करके start करते हो. Then you become an assistant software engineer, associate software engineer, software engineer, senior software engineer, team leader, project leader. ठीक है, project leader के बाद आप बनते हो associate consultant, assistant consultant and consultant. ये इतने सारे स्टेप्स करने पड़ते हैं, उसके लिए 10-15 साल लग जाते हैं. That's where a consultant starts earning 25 to 30 lakh rupees after 10-15 years of service as an engineer. But as an MBA plus 2 years of, sorry, as an engineer plus 2 years of MBA, you directly start with a 25 lakh salary package as a consultant in Infosys, TCS, and all these top companies. So why not? Why not do that? Why not spend 2 years and get an MBA and directly accelerate my career there? Growth is very fast as an MBA rather than only an engineer. Change in career direction. Yes, a lot of engineers tell me, sir, second year mein aa gaya, main pak gaya. Matlab, I realize that engineering is not for me. I should come out of this. I want to do something more creative. Definitely. Do an MBA in marketing. Fine. Do an MBA in finance. Do an MBA in data analytics. Why not? You can change your complete career direction without putting a dent on your career. ठीक है, ऐसा नहीं कि इंजीनियरिंग छोड़ के आप एमबीए कर रहे हो तो 4 साल इंजीनियरिंग का कोई फायदा नहीं होगा. नो. Today's world, people appreciate students with dual expertise. ठीक है, fine. If you are an engineer and an engineer after your graduation, again you do an MS, you have a single expertise, technical expertise. But an MBA, after an engineering, you have a dual expertise of tech plus management. That's what companies is looking for nowadays. Even if it's a bank also looks out for engineers plus MBAs because engineers have good logical thinking aptitudes. इसलिए तो मैंने बोला investment bankers के लिए सबसे favorite profile होता है MBA finance, CFA plus engineer. This is a favorite profile for. So ऐसा नहीं है कि engineering के बाद MBA कर रहे हो तो आपका engineering गया waste. It is absolutely not like that. And all those guys who want to have their startups, there is no better place than a B school to launch your startups. There's so many incubation centers. There's so many seminars where you get investors, where you get consultation from faculty. Right? A lot of things can happen in an MBA B school for setting up your startups. Jobs, as I told you, management consulting in companies like Big Four, McKinsey, Bain, BCG. Investment banking in companies like Barclays, Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley. Fine. Both these profiles would offer you 30-40 lakh per annum minimum at the age of 23-24. That's the power of these top profiles. Financial analyst, brand management, marketing management, these profiles here, marketing wale jo profiles hai, product manager in companies like Unilever, Procter and Gamble, Nestle, Amazon, Flipkart, fine, would offer you salaries of 25-30 plus lakhs per annum at the age of 23-24. These kind of salaries, fine, staying in India, MBA is one of the very few career options that can pay you upwards of 2 lakh rupees per month staying in India. Some other options, fine, at the age of 23-24. Some other options would be getting into the merchant navy, becoming a commercial pilot. Even an MBBS would not get that 2+ lakh at the age of 23-24. उसको बाद में मास्टर्स करना पड़ता है, अपना बिजनेस सेटअप करना पड़ता है, तब जाके वो कमाना चालू करता है. Fine. So moving up the hierarchy is one reason why an engineer should take up an MBA. Fine. Easy transition from technical to managerial role. In any IT company also, टेक्निकल जॉब करोगे 3-4 साल तक, उसमें रहोगे, आगे बढ़ के आपको मैनेजरल रोल में जाना ही पड़ेगा, तब यू विल फील द नीड ऑफ डूइंग एन एमबीए. तो तब करने से अच्छा अभी क्यों नहीं? You need to understand how to convert a good product into profitable business. It's not only developing products, but it's about creating business out of it. Also, fine, you need to how to understand how to price those products, how to sell those products, how to promote those products, how to handle a team, how to optimize costs. All these are parts of marketing, finance, HR, operations. Therefore, MBA is necessary after engineering. Somebody was asking me about top colleges and universities from where I can do my MBA. These are the ones. सबसे ऊपर आपको जो दिखता है, FMS Delhi, fine, offers an average salary of 25.6 lakh per annum. Test that they take is the CAT, Common Admissions Test. CAT is accepted by 4,000 plus B schools across the country. IIFT, Delhi and Kolkata, Fine. Salary of 20 lakhs per annum. It is known for foreign trade, MBA in international business. The IIMs, Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Calcutta, Kozhikode, Indore, Lucknow. I don't need to talk about these IIMs. Okay, they are the best institutes for doing an MBA from. IIM Calcutta, ISI, IIT Kharagpur, they offer a PGDBA course, a postgraduate diploma in business analytics. It's sort of an MBA in business analytics. One of the hottest booming fields. 4 साल में देखो, it's already started giving 25 plus salary packages here. Fine. People who've got good profiles, good grades, इंजीनियरिंग के ग्रेड पॉइंटर्स अच्छे हैं, 10 12 के ग्रेड पॉइंटर्स अच्छे हैं, आप ISB में अप्लाई कर सकते हो, आप SP Jain में अप्लाई कर सकते हो, क्यों नहीं? Fine. These colleges give a lot of profile to good grades. तो आपको CAT स्कोर कम लगेगा, ग्रेड्स अच्छा होने के कारण एडमिशंस इजीली मिलेगा ये कॉलेजेस. जमनालाल बजाज इन मुंबई. फाइन. MDI गुड़गांव, XLRI Jamshedpur favor people with less grades, less scores in 10 12 can opt for JBIMS, MDI, FMS, XLRI, all these colleges. Fine, so it's a myth. Many people feel कि अब मेरे grades अच्छे नहीं रहेंगे तो मेरे को एडमिशन नहीं मिलेगा, ऐसा कुछ नहीं. ये सेकंड लिस्ट ऑफ कॉलेजेस है. मैंने आपको बताया था ऑपरेशंस MBA के लिए, डेटा एनालिटिक्स MBA के लिए गुड कॉलेजेस आर IISc, IIT दिल्ली, फाइन, IIT बॉम्बे, IIT खड़गपुर, you've got NITI Mumbai. All these colleges are known for operations. NITI is in fact only for engineers. Okay, you've got the new IIMs, Kashipur, Ranchi, Rohtak, Raipur, Shillong, Trichy. MICA is known for marketing. NMIMS Mumbai and Symbiosis Pune. These 3 colleges, fine, are again superb colleges. TIS is known for HR, Human Resources MBA. So these are the list of colleges. These are the top 30. इसके अलावा there is a lot of other colleges. Wellington, KJ Somaiya, TAPMI, Fine 4, Great Lakes, जिसमें आपको 10-12 लाख का सैलरी इजीली मिल जाता है. ठीक है. So anybody interested to get these details, we send you a detailed brochure. You can always get in touch with IMS Karad. They will send you a detailed brochure and give you a proper counseling about how should you study for your MBA. Fine. So basically what comes in the CAT में होता क्या है, देखो 76 क्वेश्चंस होते हैं, 2 घंटे का पेपर होता है, 3 marks for a correct answer and -1 for a wrong answer, +3 -1 का मार्किंग स्कीम होता है. सबसे पहला सेक्शन होता है verbal ability and reading comprehension, English. Second section is data interpretation and logical reasoning, and third section is quantitative aptitude. You have 3 sections. Quantitative aptitude is math, DI is bar graphs, pie charts, line graphs, LR is logical reasoning, puzzles, coding, decoding, family trees. Even so basically if it's 76 questions and 3 marks per question, 228 मार्क का पेपर होता है. 228 मार्क का पेपर होता है. आप अगर 85 परसेंटाइल लेके आते हो, मतलब अराउंड 50 मार्क्स टोटल तीनों सेक्शंस मिला के, दो सौ 228 में से 50 मार्क, 17 क्वेश्चन सही लेके आओ, फाइन, यू गेट अ 85th परसेंटाइल स्ट्रेट. हाँ, मैं क्या बोल रहा था, 76 में से 17 क्वेश्चन सही लेके आओ, 50 मार्क मिलेंगे, which is an 85th percentile. That 85th percentile can very easily give you a college which can pay you 10 to 12 lakh rupees per annum. That's about 80 to 90 1 lakh rupees per month. ठीक है. So 17 क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्ट करना है, मतलब see you guys are engineers है, मतलब अभी LR के 10 क्वेश्चन आते हैं, फाइन, रीडिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशन के 18 क्वेश्चंस आते हैं. व्हाई कांट आई सॉल्व रीडिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशन तो सबने किया हुआ है बचपन में, लॉजिकल रीजनिंग तो सबने किया हुआ है, मैथ्स एज इंजीनियर्स यू शुड बी गुड एट मैथ्स, सो इट्स वेरी इजी टू गेट दैट 85 परसेंटाइल. मिनिमल एफर्ट से भी आप अपना 85th परसेंटाइल लेके आ सकते हो. सो दैट्स द पावर ऑफ एमबीए. Fine, get a 95th percentile, You will get a college which can pay you around 15 lakh rupees per annum. Get a 99th percentile, you will get a college which can pay you about 20-25 lakhs per annum. So that's what you get as an MBA. There are jobs, there are salaries, there are good profiles. Why should you do an MBA? These are the three reasons. अच्छे jobs, अच्छे salaries, अच्छे profiles. कहीं और नहीं मिलेंगे. Plus competition is less. आप अगर बैंकिंग सेक्टर में जाते हो, गेट में जाते हो, फाइंड लैक्स ऑफ पीपल टेक द गेट. आई थिंक मोर देन 10 plus lakh people take the gate. Fine, 18 lakh people take the SBI entrance exam. कैट लेने वाले सिर्फ 2.5 लाख लोग. देयर अबाउट 2.5 लाख पीपल टेकिंग द कैट. सो कंपटीशन कम है एमबीए में क्योंकि लोगों के पास अवेयरनेस नहीं है. पीपल वांट टू रन फॉर गवर्नमेंट जॉब्स. गवर्नमेंट जॉब में आजकल कुछ नहीं रखा है. फाइन, द प्राइवेट सेक्टर इज बूमिंग. आजकल तो बैंक्स भी प्राइवेटाइज होने वाले हैं. एसबीआई चेयरमैन का सैलरी पैकेज इज 29 लाख रुपीस पर एनम. 29 लाख रुपीस पर एनम. That's about 2.5 lakh rupees per month. That's what an MBA from IIM Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Calcutta gets at the age of 25. जो चेयरमैन है एसबीआई का, 30 साल काम करने के बाद उसको जो 2.5 लाख रुपए मिलता है महीने का, वही सैलरी एमबीए को मिलता है at the age of 25, स्टार्टिंग सैलरी. So that's the difference between private sector jobs and public sector jobs. There's absolutely no growth in public sector jobs. ठीक है, फाइन. अगर आपका वो माइंडसेट है कि जाके मेरे को पैसा खाने मिलेगा, रिश्वत खाने मिलेगा, दैट्स अ रॉन्ग माइंडसेट. डोंट हैव दैट. नाउ बिकॉज ऑफ डिजिटाइजेशन ऑल दीस थिंग्स आल्सो विल गो अवे. ठीक है. इफ यू कंपेयर द सैलरीज ऑफ एसबीआई चेयरमैन एंड एचडीएफसी चेयरमैन, एचडीएफसी इज अ पब्लिक सेक्टर बैंक. It has no bank entrance exams. It recruits MBAs. The HDFC chairman earns 55 crore per annum versus an SBI chairman who earns 29 lakh rupees per annum. That's the difference, and that's why you should go for private sector jobs. You should go for jobs in the investment banking sector, consulting sector, fine, IT consulting, data analytics, fine. You should look out for digital marketing. You should look out for all these booming sectors which are there nowadays. और वो करने के लिए क्या, वो करने के लिए एमबीए करना है. 2 साल का इन्वेस्टमेंट देना है एमबीए करके. फाइन. सो कॉलेजेस किस बेसिस पे सिलेक्ट करते हैं? एक तो होता है कैट स्कोर, सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट. फाइन, टेस्ट स्कोर. द सेकंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज योर पर्सनल इंटरव्यू. दे टेक अप एन इंटरव्यू. फाइन. एंड दे आल्सो टेक अप अ ग्रुप डिस्कशन एंड अ रिटन एबिलिटी टेस्ट. दिस इज व्हाट दे कंडक्ट. ये 3 चीजें होती है. एंड these three things form 80% of the selection criteria. ये 3 चीजें they will form 80% of the selection criteria. उसके बाद some colleges also look at academics, some colleges also look at work experience, some colleges also look at gender diversity, academic diversity. पर अगर work experience नहीं है, can I make it to a good B school? Yes, you can. Academics नहीं है, fine, can I make it to a good B school? Yes, you can. कैट स्कोर नहीं है, अच्छा कॉलेज मिलेगा क्या? एब्सोल्युटली नहीं. अच्छा कैट स्कोर चाहिए, 85 परसेंटाइल के ऊपर स्कोर चाहिए अगर आपको डिसेंट कॉलेज चाहिए तो. फाइन. सो आपके सीनियर्स जो आपको बोलेंगे ना कि 10th-12th में मार्क्स खराब है, मत कर एमबीए, कुछ नहीं होने वाला, वर्क एक्स नहीं है, मत करो, ये सब की बात सुनो मत. ठीक है. आपको डाउट है, मुझे आके पूछो, आईएमएस कराड़ में जाके पूछो. दे विल सॉल्व योर इश्यूज, दे विल सॉल्व योर डाउट्स. डोंट लिसन टू सीनियर्स, उनको एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है. ठीक है. फाइन. दे डोंट हैव एनी एक्सपीरियंस. People like me, we've spent 13-14 years in this industry researching about every college and every minute detail which is required to get an admit into these colleges. Okay. So the one thing that stops people from doing or going for these MBA courses, one, सबसे पहले लोगों को लगता है पैसा ज्यादा लगता है. Yes, 20-25 लाख का खर्चा है. पर even I have done my MBA from IIM Lucknow. Majority of my batch, 98% of the students of the batch had taken education loans to fund their education. ठीक है. So I am not from a strong financial background, इसलिए मेरे को MBA नहीं करना है, should not be the reason. ठीक है. Fine. Second reason why people don't do an MBA, मैंने सुना है सर MBA करेगा तो 10th में स्कोर अच्छा लगता है, ग्रेजुएशन का स्कोर अच्छा लगता है, इंग्लिश आना अच्छा चाहिए. ये सब बातें सीनियर्स की सुनो मत. ठीक है. मैंने सुना है सर वर्क एक्स नहीं रहेगा तो एमबीए नहीं कर सकते, सब गलत चीजें हैं. यू शुड कम एंड टॉक टू पीपल लाइक मी, यू शुड कम एंड टॉक टू एक्सपर्ट्स. फाइन. एंड ओनली देन यू विल गेट टू अंडरस्टैंड. सो एज आई सेड, ठीक है, कैट एग्जाम में आप 99.7 के ऊपर परसेंटाइल लेके आओ, 99.7 के ऊपर परसेंटाइल लेके आओ, यू कैन मेक इट टू एन IIM अहमदाबाद, बैंगलोर, कैलकाटा IIMs में आपको एडमिशन मिलेगा. Get a 99 plus, you can make it to an FMS, IIT Bombay. I have given the salary packages that they pay on the right hand side column. Get a 97 plus, fine, you'll get into a NEET, MDI, IIT Delhi. Get a 95 plus, you'll get an SP Jain, IIT Kharagpur, new IIMs. 85 परसेंटाइल पे भी आपको IIM अमृतसर, IIT कानपुर, 4 दिल्ली, नए वाले कॉलेजेस मिलेंगे. Fine, which can pay you 10 to 12 lakh salary packages. That's the beauty of MBA. Unlike an SBI PO, fine, where there are limited seats, 1800 सीट होते हैं SBI PO में. Fine, आपका अगर रैंक 1800 के अंदर आया तो ही आपको जॉब मिलेगा. 1801 भी रैंक आया, आप बाहर हो सिस्टम के. इधर ऐसा नहीं होता, इधर सबके लिए जॉब्स अवेलेबल है. फाइन, दूसरे एग्जाम जो होते हैं इज NMIMS, नारसी मुंजी के लिए, Symbiosis, SNAP, fine, SNAP, SIBM is Symbiosis Institute of Business Management, it takes SNAP. XLRI, Xavier's, it takes XAT. JBIMS takes the Maharashtra CET and ISB takes the GMAT. ये सारे एग्जाम्स है, सारे एग्जाम्स का डिटेल हम दे देंगे आपको. We'll give you all information, we'll send you a brochure, we can have a counseling also about all these things. Fine, but I need you guys to show us interest. ठीक है, unnecessarily I don't want to spend time and I don't want to spend your time. ठीक है, I have given you MBA करके क्या benefits है. I'll give you IMS Karad. If anybody is here from IMS Karad, could you just give your number on the chat box ताकि मैं students को दे सकूं. ठीक है, तब तक मैं students के queries answer करूंगा. Fine, तो एक बात समझ लो भी, एक बार डिसाइड कर लो करना क्या है लाइफ में. फाइन, फॉर ऑल दोज हु आर इन द सेकंड ईयर, थर्ड ईयर, फाइन, इट्स हाई टाइम नाउ, स्टार्ट डिसाइडिंग नाउ, क्योंकि बहुत सारी चीजें आएंगी अभी. फोर्थ ईयर गाइज आपके पास टाइम बहुत कम है. फाइन, बट थर्ड ईयर गाइज, फोर्थ ईयर गाइज, यू शुड स्टार्ट प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर कैट. टेक द कैट इन नवंबर 2022. जो अगला नवंबर है उसमें आपको कैट के लिए अपेयर करना है. अब उसका प्रिपरेशन कैसे होता है. Fine, you should begin your preparation while you are in the third year. ठीक है, अभी थर्ड ईयर के बच्चे प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट करो. and once you start your preparations, you should complete. अभी अगर स्टार्ट करेंगे तो मार्च तक आपका प्रिपरेशन चलेगा. मार्च तक आपका पूरा बेसिक मॉड्यूल कंसेप्ट्स क्लियर हो जाएगा. मार्च के बाद नवंबर तक एडवांस प्रेप, रिविजन क्लासेस, फाइन, पेपर सॉल्विंग, मास्टर क्लासेस, टेस्ट, फाइन, मॉक, फुल लेंथ मॉक टेस्ट, चैप्टर वाइज टेस्ट, ये सारी चीजें. सो इट्स अ 2 phase prep module. October to March is your basics, which is the majority of your learning. आपका पूरा learning basics में ही होता है, फाउंडेशन में होगा. और मार्च के बाद आपका एडवांस्ड मोड ऑफ प्रिपरेशन होता है, जहां पे हम आपको सारे कैट क्वेश्चंस, एनमैट क्वेश्चंस, पेपर सॉल्विंग, वर्कशॉप्स वगैरह सब कराते हैं. और फिर नवंबर में कैट होगी और नवंबर के बाद आपका GDPI ट्रेनिंग होता है. राइट, so all those in the third year wanting to do an MBA, please get connected with IMS Karad. Fine, or that's my number on the screen. You can drop me a message, I'll connect you to IMS Karad. The number of IMS Karad is 848 fine 502 3441. ठीक है, either directly connect with them or you can just drop me a WhatsApp text and let me know, so I can always guide you to the center. ठीक है. What is the reality of FMS? Is it a good college as compared to IITs? It's much better than the IITs. Fine, there's no reality. It's one of the premium colleges in the country. It takes about the fees are also very less. 2 lakh rupees the fee at FMS. Fine, so definitely अगर करना है तो आग बंद करके MBA कर लो FMS से, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. Someone was asking me what is offline MBA program. So difference between offline and online. I would always prefer an offline MBA program because MBA में there is a lot of group learning, peer group learning. कैंपस में माहौल ही अलग होता है, staying there, being with your friends, learning with them, fine, doing projects with them, doing presentations with them, it helps a lot. So hopefully offline mode will start soon, fine, as an MBA, fine. Don't go for an online MBA, doesn't help, fine. Brand देखना है, जो भी आप करोगे तो जॉब मिलना चाहिए. मतलब MBA तो आपको इंडिया में 4000 कॉलेजेस जैसे MBA कर सकते हो, करना है टॉप 50 में से, 4000 में से. बाकी कॉलेज में करोगे जॉब नहीं मिलेगा, फायदा नहीं होगा. ठीक है, फाइन, ओके. Doing MBA from IIT is worth it. Yes, if you're looking for operations, if you're looking for data analytics, definitely worth it. Fine, they give salaries of 20-25 lakhs per annum, so why not? Even JBIMS, superb college, 20 plus lakh average salary. The best part about JBIMS is सिर्फ टेस्ट स्कोर लेता है, GDPI कुछ नहीं कराता है. MBA abroad, you should do MBA abroad. Fine, you don't require WorkX. Masters in Management is the course that you should be looking out for. MIM. Fine, it is available in countries like Europe, European countries like France, Germany, Switzerland. Fine, ये सारे countries में you get an option for doing an MBA, Masters in Management. Money ज़्यादा खर्चा नहीं होता है, आपका प्रोफाइल अच्छा है तो स्कॉलरशिप भी मिल जाएंगे आपको. Fine, the session today was not about MBA abroad, but definitely I can connect with you one-on-one, discuss about MBA abroad, or I can have another session if everybody is interested to know about MBA abroad. ठीक है, the benefit of doing MBA abroad is you get good colleges. जैसे इंडिया में आपको बोला 30-40 कॉलेजेस आप टारगेट कर सकते हो, 30-40 कॉलेज. अगर अब्रॉड भी करते तो और एक 20 कॉलेज आ जाते हैं आपकी लिस्ट में. तो टोटल नंबर ऑफ कॉलेजेस फॉर यू टू ऑप्ट फॉर इंक्रीजेस, ऑप्शंस मेरे बढ़ जाते हैं अब्रॉड MBA करोगे तो. ठीक है. FMS is purely based on CAT score and your group discussions, personal interviews. JBIMS is based on Maharashtra CET score. ठीक है. Now people generally look out for FMS and JBIMS ये बोल के कि फीस कम है, ट्राई करो, but keep other options open also. Yes, any other questions anybody has? Okay, you have the contact numbers on the screen. You can always get in touch with us, and you can always come down for a counseling. Fine, we have a center in Karad also, so just connect. Google पे search करो, you'll get the addresses as well.
Sir, there is one more question.
Yeah. Which question?
Vedant Pawar from Vedant Pawar. Does JBIMS conduct PA?
No, Vedant. JBIMS does not conduct personal interviews. It's only test score. No personal interview, no group discussion. Digambar Mari is asking, what do you think about MBA for entrepreneurship? Basically, entrepreneurship करने के लिए, ideally, अगर आपके पास idea अच्छा है, fine, setup already है, fine, you already have your finances, funding and all, you don't need to go for an MBA. There is a course called MBA in Entrepreneurship offered by some colleges which does not give placements. तो वो सोच समझ के करना. अगर आपको सीरियसली स्टार्टअप में इंटरेस्ट है तो ही जाना MBA in Entrepreneurship के लिए. फाइन. However, MBA for Entrepreneurship मतलब आप अगर बोलो कि आपको स्टार्टअप करना है इसलिए मैं MBA करूं क्या, जैसे मैंने बताया था, आइडिया रेडी है, फंडिंग है, गिव इट अ ट्राई विदाउट एन MBA. अगर फंडिंग नहीं है, आइडिया नहीं है, कुछ सोचा नहीं है, first do your MBA, gain credibility, learn basic concepts, and then go for a startup. Is it true that old IIMs, which college should I prefer if I want to pursue HR management? HR के लिए there is Tata Institute of Social Sciences, XLRI, IIM Indore HR course, NMIMS HR course. Fine, these are the 4 best colleges for HR. Operations के लिए NEET, IIT Bombay, IIT Delhi, IIT Kharagpur. These are the 4 best colleges for operations. Is it true that old IIMs not only see your academics but also see extracurricular activities? Extracurricular activities help you to perform in your interviews. ठीक है, ऐसा नहीं है कि extracurricular activities रहेगा तो 5 पॉइंट एक्स्ट्रा मिलेगा. बट अगर extracurricular activities है, fine, you've been a sports player, district, state level, national level, fine, you've been a you've handled your college cultural festival, ठीक है, कोई एनजीओ में काम किया है, तो ये जब हम इंटरव्यूज में बोलते हैं तब स्ट्रॉन्ग इंप्रेशन गिरता है, ठीक है, फाइन. सो दैट इज हाउ एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज हेल्प यू अंडरस्टैंड. मैंने फिर से बोला है, एकेडमिक्स नहीं रहेगा, आईएम में एडमिशन मिलता है क्या? यस. एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटी नहीं रहेगा, आईएम में एडमिशन मिलेगा क्या? यस. पर कैट स्कोर नहीं रहेगा, आईएम में एडमिशन मिलेगा? द आंसर इज नो. फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी शुड बी कैट स्कोर. कैट स्कोर अच्छा आने के बाद ये सारी चीजें ना बेनिफिटिंग फैक्टर्स है, सपोर्ट फैक्टर्स है. इट डिड वो मेन हीरो का रोल नहीं प्ले करेंगे, सपोर्टिंग एक्टर का रोल प्ले करेंगे, ठीक है. Which skills should I learn during my engineering? Fine. Engineering कर रहे हो, engineering पे ही focus करो. Fine. What MBA colleges look out for is, are you a good engineer? ठीक है. Fine. वो लोग तुमको ये नहीं पूछेंगे कि भाई मैं पूछेंगे कि मैनेजमेंट की तरफ आपका कोई ओरिएंटेशन नहीं है, पर वो अगर उन्होंने देख लिया कि if you are a good engineer, you've done justice to your 4 years of engineering, definitely they will give you preference in your MBA also. However, you can learn, you can take up a few certifications. Skill building में certifications कर सकते हो. Digital marketing में Excel is important. You can take up financial modeling. You can take up a certification on data analytics. It helps during your MBA. On the basis of finance, IITs के फीस कम होते हैं, एफएमएस के फी कम होते हैं, जेबीआईएमएस के फी कम होते हैं. यूएसए में देयर इज हार्वर्ड, देयर इज स्टैनफोर्ड, देयर इज वॉर्टन, देयर इज केलॉग, फाइन, देयर इज डार्डन, देयर इज स्टैनफोर्ड तो बोल दिया, येल, एमआईटी, स्लोन, ऑल दीज गुड यूनिवर्सिटीज टू डू एन एमबीए फ्रॉम. प्रसाद इज रेजिंग हैंड्स. प्रसाद, यू वांट टू टॉक? जस्ट यस बोलो, मैं आपको अनम्यूट, आपको बात करना है, चलो मैंने आपको अनम्यूट कर दिया, आप बात कर सकते हो. आपको अगर कुछ पूछना है तो, नहीं है तो आप टाइप कर दो चैट बॉक्स पे. फाइन, आई विल आंसर द क्वेश्चन. एनी अदर क्वेरीज, क्वेश्चंस दैट यू गाइस हैव, यू कैन ऑलवेज आस्क मी. गेट इन टच विद द सेंटर. what I'll do is I will again post IMS Karad का number on the chat box. ठीक है.
Mano, whatever the question was in my mind, that you already clarified in your presentation.
Okay, fine, great, great.
Thanks a lot, actually. In fact, my son is in the 4th year of the computer engineering.
Fine, yeah. I thought Prasad was a student, therefore I
No. He is actually gone to the class. Saturday, Sunday is having his class. So I attended this seminar. It's a very much useful, actually. It's good. In fact, I was totally against to do the MBA after the computer engineering. But by seeing your presentation now, I totally converted, actually.
Yeah. No. The thing is, they look for dual specialization.
Very true.
So what happens now, after computer engineering, if you do an MTech, you learn the same things in more depth, which is not required in today's industry, unless you want to go in core research.
Very true.
But having engineering...
I'm working as a national sales manager in Adore Welding Limited.
Yeah.
So when I recruit the engineers, we definitely look into the like BBA, MBA sort of students. In fact, I will tell you, I stop recruiting the engineer plus MBA. I'm going for the sales, actually the commercial people plus MBA or BBA, because these people gives me more output than the, I don't know, this is my prediction actually, and they stay more with us actually. So rather than, like this extra courses, whichever the students do, that's having the nowadays more values actually. And
it helps.
So when the Nikhilesh, my son, come out with this MBA, so I was not very much sure actually. And that's what, when I saw the Vinayak's link yesterday, message, so I decided to join. So thanks a lot. I got clarification and everything. Still, what I do, I will tell Nikhilesh to have the I will tell you that session I will organize.
Sure. No problems.
Okay. So thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Yeah. Thanks.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
So students, you have anything else, you can always get in touch. The number is there on the chat box, and you can always get an appointment with any of our mentors to have your further discussions. Thank you. I'll end the webinar here.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.